Assalamualaikum. I hope you guys are fine. Today I will teach you how to grow rose via cutting. It is the English type of rose, teapot rose, and I prune the two long cutting, nearly 12 inches cutting size, and I will cut them from the middle and make them four, nearly 6 inches cutting size. And also I will remove the leaves all and the cutting area where I cut. I put the rooting hormone or any fungicide 45 angle. I cut that area. After that I will remove few thorns and put these cuttings into the water, dip for 5 to 10 minutes. Mostly I remove the thorns from hand, and you can see from downside also the area is 45 angle. So the dipping the cutting in the water, the main reason is peel off the skin of the branch. So I choose that area which have two nodes, and nearly 1 to 2 inches I will peel off the cuttings. And I use here rooting hormone. If you don't have a rooting hormone, you can use aloe vera gel or honey or any fungicide, mostly in the season. Without hormone can be grow. And you can see here I pick the paper cutter. You can take the knife or any sharp blade and rotate the cutter in the circle, and in middle you can see the line I cut, and remove the skin here and peel off all the skin, and also the scratch when the white area show. I will use here rooting hormone. Dip the finger, or you can wet the cutting area with the water, and you can use the rooting hormone, honey or aloe vera gel like this. Mostly I take to nodes area because node area help to develop the roots here. After that, normal gardening soil I take here and already dig the holes and put the cutting here. And you can see when you all put your cuttings like this and fill the pot again, and do not move your cuttings hardly. First time you will give the full water, and you can see I strongly put all the soil around the cuttings, because I don't want my cuttings are removed by air. And I hope you understand. I will fill the water and put them semi-shade area. You can cover with the plastic bag or put them greenhouse. I hope you understand. Thank you for your time. Assalamu alaikum.